Imagine asking Siri to plan your entire day. Not just setting an alarm, not just sending a text, but understanding everything on your iPhone, knowing what you're working on, what emails you received, what meetings you have, and then taking action for you automatically. For years, Siri has been the butt of internet jokes. While AI assistants like ChatGPT, Gemini, and Claude became smarter every month, Apple's Siri seemed stuck in the past. But according to growing rumors and reports, Apple is preparing the biggest Siri upgrade in its history. An upgrade so massive that some insiders believe Siri could become the center of the entire Apple ecosystem. If these rumors are true, Siri may finally transform from a simple voice assistant into a true AI companion. And that's exactly what we're exploring today. When Apple introduced Siri in 2011, it felt like science fiction. People could talk to their phones naturally. It was revolutionary. But over time, competitors caught up. Then they passed Apple. Users began noticing the same problems. Siri often misunderstood questions. It struggled with complex requests, and it couldn't maintain conversations naturally. Meanwhile, AI models were evolving rapidly. ChatGPT could write essays. Gemini could analyze images. Claude could process huge amounts of information. Suddenly, Siri looked outdated. Apple knew this. And according to reports, executives inside the company became increasingly concerned about falling behind in the AI race. Something had to change. Instead of making small improvements, rumors suggest Apple decided to completely rebuild Siri's foundation. The goal: create an assistant that understands context. Not just commands. Context. Imagine telling Siri, "Send John the file he asked about yesterday." Current assistants might be confused, but future Siri could understand who John is, which conversation happened yesterday, which file was discussed, and send it automatically. Reports suggest Apple has been developing more advanced language models designed specifically for its ecosystem. Unlike competitors that rely heavily on cloud processing, Apple wants much of the intelligence to run directly on your device. That means faster responses, better privacy, and less dependence on internet connections. This approach could become one of Apple's biggest advantages. Now let's talk about the rumors getting everyone excited. One rumor claims Siri could gain deep awareness of everything happening on your device. Your emails, messages, calendar, photos, notes, documents, apps, everything. Imagine saying, "Siri, summarize everything important I missed today," and receiving a personalized briefing. Another rumor suggests Siri may become capable of completing multi-step tasks without constant instructions. For example, book a restaurant, invite friends, add the event to your calendar, and send reminders, all from a single request. Some insiders even believe Siri will understand what's currently on your screen. If you're looking at an email, Siri could help draft a reply. If you're viewing a document, Siri could summarize it. If you're shopping online, Siri could compare products. The possibilities are enormous and potentially game-changing. Many people wonder, if AI is moving so fast, why isn't Apple already there? The answer may come down to Apple's philosophy. Apple traditionally prefers releasing products later rather than releasing unfinished products. The company focuses heavily on privacy, reliability, and user experience. Building an AI assistant that understands your personal information requires incredible security. One mistake could damage user trust. Apple appears determined to avoid that. That's why many experts believe the company has been taking a slower, more cautious approach. They're not just building another chatbot. They're trying to build an AI system that millions of people can trust with their personal lives. If these rumors become reality, Siri could become the most important feature on future iPhones. Instead of opening apps manually, users might simply tell Siri what they want. The AI would handle the rest. This could fundamentally change how we interact with technology. Just as touchscreens changed smartphones, and just as the internet changed computers, an AI-first Siri could become the next major shift. For years, Siri has been seen as Apple's weakest product. But that may be about to change. The rumors surrounding Apple's next-generation AI assistant are some of the biggest in the tech industry. Whether Apple can actually deliver remains to be seen. But one thing is clear. The race to build the ultimate AI assistant is far from over. And Apple is preparing its biggest move yet. If even half of these rumors are true, the future of Siri could be far more powerful than anyone expected. And when it arrives, it might completely change the way we use our iPhones forever.